It's another scorcher at another junkyard. As you can see behind me, it's about that time. But I got another one for y'all. Let's go.
Be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Let me show you what we working with. Yeah, you know what it is. Another box Chevy done came to the graveyard. Let me see what 1990. Hold on. Is it really a 1990? Yup. Seatbelts on the door. 115 on the dash. Look like they rewrapped it. Steering column don't look too bad, boy. How the fuck out here? Somebody said they like to have this car. I like to have this car. So. Gary. Sorry, Gary. The Junkyard got another one. Junkyard got another 1990. Not too bad. Door panels look pretty straight. This must have been one of the real basic versions, man, cause shit. Look like they had a little face of a radio in there. You know what I'm saying? Got the bench seats and that thing. I don't too much care for them seats, I'm gonna be honest with you. They got, like I said, they got this on the door. It's different, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I would necessarily prefer it. Alright, walk around to the back. Of course, you got the trim on the back window. The rear look good. I think somebody in the other video said these is Impala bumpers. Yeah. They got the team, they representing for the team, Tennessee Titans. Can't get in from this side, for whatever reason. Probably had exhaust on that thing. It looked like the exhaust is fairly new. Actually, it looks like it's fairly new. Yeah, this one is different, man. I ain't never seen a 1990 up close, to be completely honest with you. Bumper fillers all jacked up. Grill not in too bad a condition. See up under the hood. Let's see, hold on. I'm stuck. Alright, hold on. Use both hands. Alright, so got the hood up. Had to kind of shake, rattle, and roll with it a little bit. The hinges seem to be decent. Seem to be the same as any other box Chevy. They already took the motor out, as you can see, but they left the compressor. The AC lines, the condenser. I might come back and grab some of this because I am trying to get the AC for the two-door together. So this might be exactly what we need. A compressor and all that good stuff. Looking at this wiper motor, I bet it definitely look a little bit different. but it's probably newer. Look like. I think I done took the bolts and shit off of mine so many times and shit. I need to get another one. So I'll probably come back for that tomorrow or something. Y'all won't see this video until I done got what I need to get off this motherfucker. I'm bullshitting. Cause I don't really need much. You know what I'm saying? I'm grabbing the wiper motor just off GP because it look newer. It look newer. Yeah, I don't too much need nothing, man. At this point, I might grab a couple parts to sell me and just letting y'all know where they at so y'all can come and get them. You know what I'm saying? So, that's what it's about right there. Let me see if I can get this other door open, man. Get y'all a glimpse at this fucking... get y'all a glimpse of the RPO codes or something, man. I did not take classic advice because this one hit the yard so quick, man. I haven't had time to retool the Chevy or the Ram, you know what I'm saying? So, steering column and shit. I don't even think there's no codes over there. We probably can't get in the trunk. Yeah, so as you can see, inside's nice and shit. I don't know what the heck going on over there. I know it's hot as fuck in this car though. God damn. Little rag top on there. I don't know if somebody already hit it up, but the dose fields is missing. So, I'll just bring y'all another one. 1990. 1990. I think that headlight look like it's good. Actually, I just seen that the grill is kind of cracked right there. You see that? This headlight for sure is cracked all the way across. Them bezels probably good though. So I'll be back. In my Terminator voice, I'll be back. You know what I'm saying? The homie, I know somebody need them. So I'll be back for them. But other than that, man, y'all might want to come get some shit. 1990 box Chevy. Like I said, the condenser is already right there, accessible. You know what I'm saying? I think somebody hollered it. Somebody told me they need a harness off this motherfucker, didn't they? It might have been for a carbureted one. So definitely might come back out here and grab little AC components and things like that. The front clip don't look to be in a bad condition. If you need that. Bumper don't look to be too bad. Matter of fact, I might come get that license plate bracket thing. And around the back, that rear clip, real icy. Real icy, so I don't know. Like I said, I might come back and get it. I don't know. Probably not. I got enough shit. So, all right, man. It's your boy, Ellis Ride 254. Remember, identify your weakness and make it strength. Perfect.